So I can talk a little bit more about the the must-haves and the wants. The must-haves and the wants end up becoming some of your selection criteria. I know that some of the questions that have been coming in are, how do we quantify? Well, that's again up to you. You can have a very fine scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 5, 10, or something like that. You've got to figure out what are those must-haves, what are those nice-to-haves, and then figure out some kind of scoring algorithm. They hit the no button, they hit it right at where we want it, that's a 10. And there comes CCOMSA, that's a 5. They don't have that technology. Well, if you must have a certain technology and that CDMO doesn't have it, well, they're off the list automatically, right? So I think that in terms of how to lead to a decision process about selecting, that is one of many ways that you can get from point A to point B.